Hi students, how are you all? All are fine. Are you studying or not? Studying. Very good. What we are going to learn today? Do you know? Yes, we are going to learn the exercise of first lesson, What Fun. First exercise, write yes or no. Question number 1. The children are in school. Where are the children? The children are in the park, and here it is written in the school, and that sentence is false. You can write there no. Second one, the children are in the park. The sentence is correct. Already the children are in the park only. And you can write there yes. And the third one, Jaya has a box of crayons. Who is having box of crayons? Zoya. Zoya has a box of crayons, and here it is written Jaya, and that sentence is false, and you can write there no. And the question number 4, they draw a tree. First, they already started to draw a picture of a tree. That sentence is correct, and you can write there yes. Question number 5, they colored the tree yellow. That sentence is wrong. That is a false sentence, and you can write there no. And the last one, they draw a red butterfly. They draw a red butterfly. That is a correct sentence, true. Then you can write there yes. Now, question number 2, you can write one word answers. First one, what does Sam have? He has a sheet of paper. And you can write one word there, paper. Second one, what does Zoya have? Zoya has a box of crayons. You can write there crayons. And the third one, what color are the flowers? The flowers are pink. The answer pink. Fourth one, what completes the picture? After drawing everything, the children said that this picture is not completed. Then they drew picture of children. Then only that picture completed. Then you can write there children. Next exercise 3, match the words with the colors. Here the words are butterfly, trunk, sun and leaves. And there are 4 colors already given: yellow, red, green, brown. Okay, now butterfly which color, and trunk, sun, leaves you can match there. Okay, now this is the correct answer. Butterfly with red, trunk brown, sun yellow, and leaves green. Next exercise, question number 4. Match the columns. First one, color a picture. Second one, water. We can put water on the plants. Water the plants. Third one, read a book. Fourth one, ride a bicycle. And the last word is skip a rope. Okay. Now, next exercise is, there are 3 pictures: crow, cradle, crane. And there are 2 names already given, and you can see the picture and you can tick the correct words. First picture, crocodile or crow, and the correct picture is crow. Second one, crate or cradle, and the correct word is cradle. Okay, and the third one is crow or crane, and the correct option is crane. Now exercise 6. Add s to make many words. Boy, you can add after the letter. After y, you can add s. Boy becomes boys. Boy, boys. Tree, trees. And kite, kites. Bird, birds. Toy, toys. And flower, flowers. Okay. These words are singular, and by adding these words become plural. Okay. Now exercise 7. Complete the sentences. First one, I brush my. What you can write there? I brush my teeth. And second one, I have a bath. I eat breakfast. I go to school. Okay. Now, these are the exercise of lesson 1. What fun! We already revised this lesson, and I hope that all you understood this chapter. Okay, now study well. Your exam is going to start. Enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Thank you.